Hello friends, online lecture series the S&D College of Engineering and Research Center Yeola, Department of Computer Engineering. Myself Professor Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer. The subject of Object Oriented Programming, Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. Topic will be covered up in this lecture: benefits of OOP. Benefits of OOP is modularity for easier troubleshooting. Second, reuse of code. Third, flexibility for through polymorphism. Fourth, effective problem solving. Fifth, security. And sixth, code maintenance. C++ as OOP language means C++ language as object oriented programming language. C++ is called object oriented programming because C++ language view a problem in terms of objects involved rather than the procedure for doing it. Object oriented programming is always good for written large business logic and large applications or games. OOP is also very much desired for maintenance and long-term support. C++ program structure, header file declaration section, global declaration section, class declarations and method definition section, main function and method definition section. C++ programming basic using namespace standard library, class declaration if any along with its member variable and function, global variable if any, integer main. That this is where execution program begins. C++ data types, user defined data types, fundamental bit in data type and derived data type. First, user defined data type is structure, union, class, enumeration. Next, fundamental built data type, integral data type, void data type and floating point. Integral data types are two, integer and character, and floating point is float and double. And derived data type is array, function, pointer and reference. More about built-in data type. Character size is 1 and range is -127 to 255. Unsigned character size is 1, 0 to 255. Integer size is 4. There are large size. Unsigned to size is 4. Range will be 0 to more. Short int is 2 is long range. Unsigned short int is 2 to large number. Long int is size is 4 and range will be large. Unsigned long int is 4 size and range is long. Float is 4, this will be the range of point digit, and double is size is 8. Next, derived type. These types are derived from fundamental data types. Variables of derived data type allow use to store multiple values of same type in one variable, but never allow to store multiple values of different types. Array of integer value, integer string, 10, function, pointer and reference. User defined data types. Structure define a new data type with more than member variable. For example, structure book, character title, character author, character subject and integer book ID. Union. Union is a user defined data type that use same block of memory for each of its list member. Example, union student, integer roll number, integer phone number, float %. Structure of union means structure of versus union. Example of union. Thank you friends for watching this video.